What's going on, everyone? Got a 1992 Ford F-250 extended cab long bed. This truck has the 460 automatic, pretty much loaded out. Runs good, lot drives. Very solid truck. Two-tone brown and tan. It's got a few dings and dents here and there. Set up with a fifth wheel ball in the center, and it's got some slide brackets for another fifth wheel. Set up with airbags in the rear. Interior needs some cleaning, but overall not too bad. It's got a little musty smell in here. Headliner needs some work. Mileage is unknown because of the liquid crystal display isn't reading correctly. The last oil change sticker showed like 165 and change. Runs real nice though. Very smooth. Things I noticed is it needs new front shocks because the bushings are shot. Seats are pretty nice. Underside real nice and clean. Air valves for your airbags. So we got a pretty nice project truck. 92 F-250, 3/4 ton, extended cab, long bed, 4:10 ratio, runs good, lot drives. Send us an email, give us a call. No trades, no financing, no test drives. You show up with a trailer and you're prepared to buy it, we'll fire it up and let you load it up. Thanks for watching.